BMS A079 signifies a potential overvoltage or imbalance in your Tesla Model 3's high-voltage battery system. This warning, often accompanied by a service soon or service required alert, indicates anomalies that require prompt attention. It's crucial to understand that, while rarely catastrophic, ignoring this error can lead to more serious issues. This video will guide you through understanding the error, potential causes, and steps to resolve it. The BMS A079 error can be triggered by faulty contactors, which are the main relays that connect the battery pack to the electric motor. These high-voltage switches can become stuck or welded, causing voltage spikes and triggering the warning. Sensor malfunctions are another common cause, particularly Hall effect sensors that measure current flow. If these sensors become misaligned or fail, they can provide incorrect voltage readings to the BMS, leading to false high-voltage warnings. Software glitches within the battery management system itself can also cause BMS A079. Tesla's BMS software, integrated with the vehicle's ECU, may experience bugs that log false errors, though many can be resolved with over-the-air updates. Thermal management issues, particularly overheating, are a significant cause of BMS A079. The battery's liquid cooling system is critical for maintaining safe temperatures. Poor cooling can lead to thermal runaway risks and trigger the warning. Bus bar manufacturing defects have been identified in recalls, such as the 2024 Tesla Model 3 recall, where defects in battery pack bus bars caused BMS A079 warnings and sudden power loss in affected vehicles. Extreme heat exposure can degrade the cooling pump, leading to BMS A079 warnings. In cases like the 2025 California incident, owners experienced warnings after heat exposure, with diagnostics revealing a degraded cooling pump requiring replacement. Identifying the root cause of BMS A079 is essential for effective troubleshooting and repair. Whether it's hardware like faulty contactors or software issues, proper diagnosis ensures the best solution. Before scheduling a service appointment, check your Tesla app for any available software updates and install them. Tesla's over-the-air updates often include fixes for BMS-related issues. Second, use the Tesla app's diagnostic features, if available, to attempt a system reset. According to expert opinions from Tesla engineers, 90% of BMS codes are software-related and fixable remotely. These simple steps could resolve the issue without requiring a service visit. If the BMS A079 error persists after software updates and resets, it's time to contact Tesla service. Pay close attention to warning signs such as sudden power loss, unusual battery drain, or any indications of overheating. These symptoms suggest a more serious underlying issue that requires professional diagnosis and repair. Continuing to drive with these symptoms could worsen the problem and potentially lead to battery damage. At a Tesla service center, technicians begin the diagnostic process for BMS A079 by using advanced tools to safely assess the vehicle's high-voltage battery system. Technicians use the Tesla Service Scanner version 3.0, which incorporates AI-driven analytics to quickly identify potential issues in the battery management system. The first step is a safety disconnect of the high-voltage system to ensure technician safety and prevent electrical hazards during diagnostics. Next, technicians perform multimeter checks to measure voltage anomalies. The safe operating range for the Model 3 battery is typically between 350 and 420 volts. Throughout the process, technicians strictly adhere to NFPA 70E standards for electrical safety, using specialized insulated tools to prevent dangerous arc flashes. The ultimate goal of this comprehensive diagnostic process is to pinpoint the exact cause of the BMS A79 error, enabling targeted repairs that restore the vehicle's battery system safely and efficiently. Depending on the diagnosis, common repair solutions include replacing faulty battery modules, applying software patches, or in severe cases, replacing the entire battery pack. Another solution involves applying software patches to recalibrate the battery management system. In severe cases, the entire battery pack may need replacement. In 2025, Tesla issued a recall for certain Model 3 vehicles with this error, offering free battery module replacements. Refer to campaign NETSA ID 25V123. The fix typically involved a 1-hour service update with firmware V11.2, resolving 95% of cases without hardware changes. To minimize the risk of BMS A079 in your Tesla Model 3, regularly update the vehicle's software. Tesla releases over-the-air updates that include battery management improvements and bug fixes that can prevent BMS errors before they occur. Avoid aftermarket modifications to your Model 3's electrical system. Third-party accessories like non-Tesla chargers or battery upgrades can interfere with the BMS, void your warranty, and potentially cause BMS A079 errors. Stick to official Tesla parts and accessories. Tesla is advancing toward predictive analytics for battery health. The battery health monitoring feature in the Tesla app now alerts owners to potential BMS issues 2 to 4 weeks before error codes appear, allowing for preventive maintenance. The newer 4680 battery cells in post-2024 Model 3 vehicles provide superior thermal stability and reduced BMS error rates. These larger cells have fewer components and better cooling, resulting in 25% fewer BMS faults compared to older 2070 cells. Looking ahead, Tesla aims for fully autonomous diagnostics by 2027, potentially resolving BMS A079 via over-the-air updates without human intervention. The development of solid-state batteries, expected in the Model 3 refresh in 2027, promises near-zero BMS faults and extended range. While software interventions are currently effective in mitigating risks, ongoing hardware vigilance and technological advancements are key for long-term battery reliability and reduced error incidents.